We all know these vehicles in the wintertime get a little more beat up. We're talking about elements. We got rain, we got snow, we got ice, more dirt and more grime. So we're happy to show you guys this video of products that we use a little bit more in the wintertime. First product I want to talk about is PSS. PSS, Plastar Silicone Free. Boom. What we like to use this on, obviously it's for the exterior, the trims and the plastics. But a lot of things that people forget is during the wintertime, a lot of the seals around the windows, the door jambs, all that can get beat up. We're talking about it could get cracked. Obviously more dirt, more grime. We like to use PSS because it brings it back. It brings it back by preserving and protecting on those seals. This product here, it's solvent based. We don't dilute it. When we use it, it's straight. We like to use this product on those vehicles with the plastic trim on the bottom. We know the rain, the snow, the salt, that all fades out. It's not a restore product. It's more maintenance and preserve. So PSS, go pick it up. We'll have it linked down in the description. The next product we have is the famous MZR. But we like to use MZR, again, winter vehicles. It's raining outside, mud, dirt, gets all that into the interior. You wanna make quick work, less scrubbing, MZR. We use this 10-to-1. Some people dilute it a lot less. Some people dilute it a lot more. Our go-to is 10-to-1. It makes quick work. If you got nasty work, disaster details, go ahead and pick up MZR. This product is safe for leather, all the textiles in the vehicle, alkaline to 12.5. This replaces Polestar in the wintertime on those heavy beat up vehicles. Next on our list, RRR, Reactive Rust Remover. So this is a fallout remover that we use straight on the vehicles. What we like about this is part of our pre-wash when we're doing the vehicle. These vehicles get beat up more. We like to go ahead and put this on the whole vehicle. It's safe for all the exterior of the vehicles, the windows and all the surfaces of the paint. We let this dwell and it's going to pull out all that nasty grime. It's we use it also kind of like as a pre-wash in a sense. That was whack, huh? This product gives us an extra boost in the wash process on those dirty, grimy vehicles in the wintertime. So you know those vehicles where just by looking at it, you know you're gonna use some elbow grease, go ahead and put this on there, let it dwell. This has some great working time, so there's no rushing. Go ahead and let this dwell, make a job easier. Next on the list, Reactivation Shampoo, RS. This is a 1 on the pH scale. We like to use this for those ceramic coated vehicles that need to get, okay, let's start that off. Next on the list is Reactivation Shampoo. It's a 1 on the pH scale. We like to use this for our contact on those vehicles that are ceramic coated that got to get unclogged. This is a descaling that we use. You could use this in the bucket or the foam cannon. That's our preferred method. We like to use this, spray it on the vehicle with the contact wash. Yeah. So what this is going to do on those ceramic coated vehicles and those dirty, grimy vehicles, it's going to descale it. And it's also on those ceramic coated vehicles, it's going to bring back all those characteristics that ceramic coatings offer with the slickness, hydrophobics, all that stuff. Great product to use in the wintertime. So if you have a car that needs a major reset, this is the one for you. All these products save us time, money, and labor in the wintertime. All these will be linked in the description below. So if you guys are using this, let us know in the comments how you like them. If you're not, go pick them up, linked in the description below, and let us know how you like them.